Okay guys, nag-iinit tayo ng isang slice of pizza. Tapos i-slicein din natin ng mas maliliit. Ayan po, this is actually Angel's Pizza na may spinach. Spinach and cheese. Or cream cheese. Ganyan po ang ating flavor. O, pwede na yan, no? Tapos, ito po ilalagay din natin siya. These are munchkins na, anong tawag dito? Parang Graham balls. Graham balls with crinkles. And then, meron pa tayong natitirang dalawang Dunkin Donuts nung nakaraan. So, i-assemble din natin siya dyan. May sprinkles din naman siya. And then, we're going to prepare our oolong tea. Yes, kasi good for the health daw po yung oolong tea. No? Dahong pao. Sorry, dahong pao tea. Kahapon, uminom ako ng dahong pao. Ayan siya. I-assemble na natin yan mamaya. O, ilagay ko na nga po doon. Huwag na natin lagyan sa itaas kasi meron tayong decoration dyan. So, we'll just put this here. Ayan. Today, we don't have macaroons or French macaroons. So, ito lang yung ating kakainin for our afternoon tea. And then, we will try to prepare. There you go. So, 4 will be enough. Okay na po iyan. 4 lang lalagay ko. Sobrang tamis na niyan. Okay na yan. No? And then, we're going to prepare our dahong pao tea. Kasi, kailangan daw siyang i-rinse muna before you steep it in hot water. So, i-rinse dito ng hot water din po ang i-rinse natin siya. Okay, so ganito po. I got hot water here in this cup. And then, let's put the dahong tea. You see? Wala kasi siyang tea bag. That's why kailangan siya, sana ilagay muna siya natin dyan with the strainer. Pero before doing that, before steeping it there, we need to rinse it with hot water just once. Isang rinsing lang daw po para matanggalin yung mga ali-alikabok, no? Kasi hindi naman siya nakalagay sa bag. O you see, ang dark niya na, no? But we will not drink that. Okay, so ilalagay na natin siya sa loob. Ang problema natin kaya, we don't have the strainer. Kailangan yung ganyan, tapos may strainer siya talaga na ilalagay doon sa loob. And we steep it with, kasi wala siyang bag. Wala siyang tea bag. Anyway, i-pour na lang natin siya, ha? Okay, it's important to prevent oversteeping according to what I read. No? So, wag siya sobrahan kasi it might cause stomach irritation. Ito po ang dahong pao tea. So, we have our sliced pizza na spinach and then yung konting sweets doon. And for today, we're going to add, yes, these fruits, no? Napakatamis po nitong aming nabili. Yung aking nabili po kahapon sa market na mangoes. Then, nilagyan natin yan ng slice, tapos nilagyan natin ng cherries on top. Ayan po. So, para balanced diet tayo. So, wag daw i-oversteep yung ating dahong pao. So, you notice that I washed it, I rinsed it first once with hot water, tapos bago nilagay po dito sa ating teapot. So, what are the benefits of dahong pao tea? Wow! Full of flavonoids and antioxidants daw siya. Okay, according to Google. Ginoogle ko lang naman po. So, which will help us in our immune system, heart health, and also for your yung sa blood circulation. Ganun po. So, very po yung dahong pao tea. Actually, kahapon, uminom na ako noon. If you remember, we went to Tiagi. Yes, kasi ini-introduce po talaga ngayon yung mga tsaa. So, which are healthier options. So, dahong pao tea actually contains caffeine as well. Aside from polyphenols and flavonoids, meron din po yan caffeine to increase our alertness, mental alertness. Parang din siya, parang coffee, pero siguro milder, I don't know. Basta ganun nga. Ang caution po is not to oversteep our tea. Ayan, let's start. Afternoon tea na po ngayon. So, we'll begin with pizza. Ayan po, ang pizza na ito ay merong, so hindi ko na nilagay doon, dito na lang, uubusin ko naman po ito. One slice lang siya ng spinach from Angel's Pizza. Okay, yung pizza ng mababait. Mabait ka ba? Yan po. Sige, let's eat now. And God bless us all. Bless us, O Lord, and these your gifts, which we are about to receive from your bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Ayan guys, tinry ko din gumawa ng oolong milk tea. So, meron akong ganito, stirrer. Kaya yan. O, nilagyan ko siya ng ice. Yung aking oolong tea, dahong pao yun, no? Nilagay ko, tapos nilagyan ko ng ice, nilagyan ko ng milk and sugar. Aha. Ito. The battery siya, battery operated siya na stirrer. Masarap naman. Ito, okay. Natikman ko na actually. Parang, kasing sarap siya ng binili ko kahapon. Doon sa Chagi. Ayan guys, at last, I got this strainer. Ito yung tea strainer. Ganyan siya. Uy, nahulog tuloy. Etong dahong pao ko. Napakaganda pala ng story niya. I learned it through, syempre, ginugol ko naman po, no? Kasi, I wanted to know the story. Ano bang dahong pao? Is it really effective? Parang ganun. For today, hindi ko po siya uubusin. Kasi nakita ko last time, sayang eh. Very, siya, strong. Yung kanyang, ang tawag dito, dark. Dark na po, and you need not steep it too long. Parang ganun po ang kanyang requirement. So, enough na po yata yung ganyan ng kakonti. And then, what we'll do is, muna natin siya. Yung first na hugas is hugas lang. Just wash it. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Kahit na ganyan mo lang siya, ay nakikita mong maitim na, diba? Maitim na siya. It's already going dark. So, that one is only for washing. It's not for steeping yet. Sorry about that. Busog lang si Simply Jane. Ito yung strainer natin. Napakaganda, no? So, it's the same dahong pao or oolong. It's actually, dahong pao is a special name given to the oolong teas, okay, that are actually sa Fujian, Fujian province, nakikita ito. So, ayan, we are now steeping our oolong tea, which is called the dahong pao tea. Ang dahong pao daw po is a red cloak. It's a red cloak given to this special, particular oolong tea. Why? Because there was a scholar who actually went for the examination. So, before going, so he went to the mountains in order to reach the place of the examination. And you know what happened? He fell ill and he actually became unconscious. And there was a monk who helped him. So the monk brought that scholar inside the monastery and he made him drink this oolong tea, which is called the dahong pao tea, which is grown in that particular area. And you know what happened to that guy? So he regained strength and then he was able to go and take the examination, and lo and behold, he became the first among the examinees. Imagine that. So, napakaganling, so nagpapatalino din pala ito, nakakabigay ng strength and all that. So, ayan na po. Let us not steep it too long because it's not good to steep the oolong tea for a long time. So, tama lang po. Ayan, and that's enough. And then, for the oolong tea, actually, I will need 2 of this. Ganito ang gagawin ko. I will steep it again in another. Okay. Kasi my strainer would not fit this one. So, kaya, nilagay ko na lang po dyan. So, medyo, ano ito? A bit messy, but never mind, no? Ayan. So, I'll do it again with the more hot water. Kasi sayang, you know. Oo, hindi ko nga inubos ito. Tingnan nyo po. Yes. There is a special smell to the oolong tea and a special aftertaste. Pero ano naman siya, pag iniisip mo yung kanyang health benefits, yun, magugustuhan mo siya talaga. And one thing good about those who are actually, yung chagi is oolong tea. Yung dahong pau tea, chagi. O the one, yung binibili. Naalala niyo po yung isang episode ko with that chagi. Yes po. So, actually, napakaganda. So, ito, we still have some. Kasi medyo ano siya eh. Oo, my sister only gave me 2 of this. Oo, when they went to Malaysia. Ayan. So, I'm going to keep it for another day. And then, nilalagyan ko siya ng milk. Yes, we can actually put milk there. Just like what they're doing in the store. Yung nakita ko po dun sa Chagi. So, I'm using ice na lang. Pwede naman siya, we can let it cool a little before using it. So, I can make use of a bigger maybe mug or plastic something, or just, I'll use my mug. The original mug that I have is bigger than the teacups. Teacups are small naman talaga, di ba? Opo, ayan po. So, I'm going to let it cool a little. Hayaan mo na kung na we are messing up a bit, but no, it's okay. Okay, so here is my remaining, so which I can make use for another tea later on in the day. Ayan po. So, I will let it cool and then we'll mix it with a little more water and ice or cold water so that we can put the milk, and so it will become a milk tea therefore. So okay, we're going to make it bigger in a mug because I'm going to add the milk and ice, because when you take your tea, it can be big or small, diba? It can be cold or hot or cold. Ayan, this is what we did. So I got one clip. Ito, may clips ako, so that we can keep this sealed. Because it's not resealable. So, keep it sealed. And then, what we'll do is, ito nga po, you don't have to steep it for a long time. Marami na talaga siya, oh, look. Marami na talaga siya. It's so dark. Yan po talaga yung oolong tea. And then, I'm going to add ice and cold water into our. Yes, I let it cool for a while para hindi siya mainit when we add the milk. Okay, wait lang. I'll get the enough ice cubes there. Your ice cubes. And then I'm going to add a little more cold water. Yep. So it's something cold today. And then I don't have fresh milk, so what I'll do is I will just add powdered milk. Okay, powdered milk na lang po. I will add powdered milk, 1 and 2. There you go. And then I'm going to use our special stirrer, this one. Okay, it's battery operated. A special stirrer for coffee. It's actually, this belongs to Baby Cloud. She likes having cold tea and coffee. Oh, see? Okay, there you go. That's dahong pau tea. Okay, if you have peach, it will become like what we are buying in the Chagi and in some tea stores. So there you go. Okay, so this is simply oolong milk tea. Yummy. I did not put sugar, but it is yummy. The oolong tea aftertaste and the smell that is oolong tea talaga or dahong pao is tasted and smelled. Yan, that is the special quality of the oolong tea, dahong pao. So as I told you, it's a special kind of tea which was given special recognition even by the emperor and the empress of China during that time because of the special strength that it gives, because the empress herself got sick and even the emperor, and they all got well using this oolong tea, which they call dahong pao tea, because they gave a red cloak to this particular kind of tea. Okay, so ayan po, enjoy your oolong milk tea or the dahong pao milk tea. There you go, from Simply Jane. So I ate already all the the bread. Yes, I did not wait anymore. So I just wanted to show you how I made my oolong milk tea. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone.